another YouTube video. I'm Yvonne Bristol, and I'm gonna be solving question number 7. Let's get it. So we're gonna be finding all the solutions of this equation, which is tangent squared x plus secant x is equal to 1 in their interval 0, 2 pi. So first we need to know our established Pythagorean identities. We have these 3. Today we're gonna be using the middle one. And for reference, they are on the slides, so you can see them a little bit more clearly. So first we're gonna start by rewriting our equation. And we're gonna rewrite this as, instead of tangent squared x plus secant x is equal to 1, we're gonna write it as tangent squared x is equal to secant squared x minus 1. And then we can change this. We're gonna use our Pythagorean identity because as we can see, this is equal to that. So it's gonna change from this, it's gonna go to secant squared x minus 1 plus secant x is equal to 1. And then now we're gonna do the second part of our problem. So now we're gonna establish this as, we're gonna establish this part, and we can do that like this. So secant squared x plus secant x instead of squared, and then minus 2, because we have both of those, is equal to 0. So that way we can factor it. So now we get secant x minus 1, and that's one grouping. And then we have secant x plus 2 is equal to 0. That's our second group. And then from there we can go secant x minus 1 is equal to 0, which ends up being secant x is equal to 1. Or we have, because again it says find all solutions, so we have more than just one possible solution. And then secant x plus 2 is equal to 0, which then becomes secant x is equal to negative 2. And secant has the value of 1 at 0, which means that it also has the value of 2, negative 2 at 2 pi over 3, and then 4 pi over 3, which means that x is going to equal 0, 2 pi over 3, and 4 pi over 3. There you have it, that is it.